Hi, welcome to Maths classes. Today, let us solve problems on addition of integer. Exercise 6.2 NCERT textbook class 6 chapter 6 integers. The first problem is, using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 5. They have given us a number line. Using this number line, you should solve these problems and write the answers. What is the first question? 3 more than 5. That means, you can assume that it is 3 steps more than 5. First, the number given is 5. So, where is 5 on the number line? It is positive number. So, it will be, yes, right side of 0. 5 is here. From here, they are asking 3 more. That means you should move. Yes, correct. Right side. Why? The key word here is more. It is more. It means it is increasing. So, you should move right side. 3 steps, you should move right side from 5. 1, 2, 3. So, you reached 8. Answer is 8. That means plus 8. Plus 8 or writing 8 is same. Let's solve second question. 5 more than 5. Yes, first you should see the keyword here. Keyword is more. And they are asking 5 steps more than 5. So, 5 is here. From 5, if you move 5 steps further, which number do you get? Okay. From 5, if you move 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 10. Children, why did you move right side here? Because the keyword is more. More means it is increasing. So, you should move right side. So, 5 more than 5 is 10. Plus 10. Next question. 6 less than 2. So, for which number they are asking to find? For 2, they are asking 6 less than 5. Where is 2? 2 is here. It is positive number. So, it will be right side of the number line after 0. And we are asking 6 less than 2. Less. Less means what, children? Negative. Yes, less. Means it is symbolically telling we should go towards left side. Less. More means you move towards right side. Less means you move towards left side. 6 less. So, from 2, you move 6 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 steps back you move. We got minus 4. The keyword here is less, children. So, you move back. The value gets reduced. If it is more, the value gets increased. If it is less, the value gets decreased. Next question. 3 less than minus 2. It is given minus 2 here. First find where is minus 2. It is a negative number. So, it will be, yes, it will be left side of 0. Minus 2 is here. And they are asking 3 less than. Less than means you should move left side. Yes, the value will get decreased. So, you should move left side. How much less, children? 3 less than. So, 3 steps you move back. From minus 2, 1 step, 2 steps and 3 steps. We reached minus 5. We reached minus 5. So, the answer is minus 5. This is the way you should use number line to solve these problems. Let's solve second problem now. Using the number line, add the following integer. They have given us questions. You should draw the number line yourself and then solve the problems. You all know, children, how to draw number line or not? Yes, you are perfect in drawing number line, right? You should first start from 0. Then write positive numbers, then write negative numbers. Okay? The first question. 9 plus minus 6. You should solve these using number line. So, 9. Where is 9 on the number line? Yes, 9 is positive number. So, yes, it will be on right side of 0. 9 is here. And you should add minus 6. What is the sign here, children? Negative. Negative. It is negative number. You are adding negative. Negative in the sense you should move left side. Yes, correct. We located 9. From there, move 6 steps back. It is negative number. So, you will move back. From 6 steps, move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You reach 3. You move 6 steps back from 9. The answer is 3. From 9, you move 6 steps. Why did you move 6 steps back? Because we are adding a negative number. We are adding minus 6. So we move back from 9. We got the answer as 3. Let's solve the next problem. 5 plus minus 11. What is the first number? Positive number. Where is 5? Here. From 5, you should move. Yes, you should move left because we are adding negative number. Minus 11. We are adding negative number. So from 5, you move back. How many steps? 11 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We moved 11 steps back from 5. We reached minus 6. The answer is minus 6. We should just remember that if we are adding a negative number, we should move back. We should move left. If we are adding positive number, we should move right side. We should move forward. The answer here, 5 plus minus 7 is minus 6. Next, minus 1 plus minus 7. What is the first number, children? Minus 1. It is negative number. Where will negative number be? On the number line? Yes, it will be left side of 0. Here, minus 1 is present. I should add minus 7. Minus 7 in the sense it is negative number. Both are negatives here. For minus 1, we located minus 1 here. We should add minus 7. Minus 7 is negative number. So we should move left side from minus 1. We should move backward. From minus 1, move 7 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We moved 7 steps back from minus 1. We moved 7 steps back from minus 1. We reached minus 8. The answer is minus 8. Next question. Minus 5 plus 10. Let's solve a bit fast, children. Now you are perfect, right? Let's solve a bit fast. Minus 5 plus 10. Minus 5 is negative number. So it will be left side of the number line. Minus 5 is here. From minus 5, we should move 10 steps forward. Why, children? We are adding 10. 10 is a positive number. Positive means you should move right side or you should move forward. Okay? You should move right side or you should move forward. From minus 5, we should move 10 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we reached 5. The answer is 5. We are adding 10. 10 is a positive number. So we move forward. From minus 5, we move 10 steps forward. We reached plus 5. The answer is 5. Next question, children. Minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. Here we are adding 3 numbers, 3 integers. What is the first number, children? Minus 1. Minus 1 is negative number. So it will be left side of 0. Minus 1 is here. What should we add here for minus 1? We should add minus 2. Minus 2 is, yes, correct, negative number. So, negative number, so how should we move? Yes, we should move backwards. From minus 1, we should move 2 steps backwards because we are adding plus minus 2. We are adding minus 1 and minus 2 first. We are adding minus 2, so we should move 2 steps backwards from minus 1. 1 step, 2 steps. Where did we reach, children? Minus 3. Is the problem over now? No. From when we add minus 1 and minus 2, we got minus 3. Now you should add minus 3 again. Minus 3 is negative number. So we should again move. Yes, correct, left. We should again move backwards. We are here. We are at minus 3. For minus 3, we should add minus 3 again. That means 3 steps back. 1, 2, 3. We reach minus 6. The answer is minus 6. Let me repeat, children. Minus 1 plus minus 2. First, let's add these two numbers. Minus 1 is here. We are adding minus 2. That means we move 2 steps backwards. Minus 1, 1 step, 2 steps. We reached minus 3. From there you should again add minus 3. That means we should again move 3 steps backwards. 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps. We reached minus 6. The answer is minus 6. Next question. Minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. First is negative number. Means it will be left side of the number line. Minus 2 is here. Okay, minus 2 is here. Then you should add plus 8. 8 is positive. So you should move. Yes, correct. We should move forward or we should move right side from minus 2. How many steps children? 8 steps. From minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We reached plus 6. Here we reached plus 6. From that, you should again add minus 4. Minus 4 is negative number. That means, yes, we should move backwards. We should move left side. From plus 6, move 4 steps backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reached plus 2. The answer is plus 2. So children, minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4 is plus 2. How did we get it? First minus 2 we located on the number line. Then we added 8. We moved 8 steps forward. Then we moved 4 steps backwards because we are adding minus 4 here. The answer is plus 2. Next problem children. Add without using number line. These problems you should solve without using number line. The first problem is 11 plus minus 7. In these two numbers, let's consider the big number first. 11 is big, right? So let's consider 11. 11, you should write it as sum of two numbers. How can you write? 1 plus 10, 2 plus 9, next 3 plus, tell children, correct, 8, 4 plus 7. Now, I am stopping here. Why I am stopping here is, see the other number. Here the other number is minus 7. So we should express 11 as sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers. In that two numbers, one number should be same as this number. So 4 plus 7. We consider 11 as 4 plus 7. The other number as it is. Now you all know. 7 plus minus 7. What is that? Yes, correct, 0. 4 plus 0. The answer is 4. If you write the number as sum of two numbers, in the two numbers, one number should be same as the other number given in the question. Then you can solve the problem easily. 4 plus 7 is 11 plus minus 7. 7 minus 7 is? Yes, 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. How can we solve it in direct way, children? 11 plus minus 7. One number is positive and another number is negative. If one is positive and another is negative, you should subtract the small number from big number. That is the first step. 11 minus 7. What is 11 minus 7? Tell children. Yes, 4. Is it over? No. Next, second step, you should check the sign of the big number. One number is 11, the other number is 7. Without considering the sign, we check the numbers, children. One is 11, one is 7. Which is big? 11 is big. What is the sign of 11? It is plus. So the answer is plus 4. This is a direct way to solve. Let's solve the second problem now. Minus 13 plus 18. 18 is big, right? So in 18 and minus 13, 18 is big. So let's write 18 as sum of two numbers. How should we write, children? Yes, it should be written as sum of two numbers. In that, one number should be 13. So write one number as 13. 13 plus what is 18? Yes, 13 plus 5 is 18. 13 plus 5 is 18. So minus 13 as it is and write 18 as sum of 13 plus 5. Now it's easy, children. Minus 13 plus 13 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 0. Yes, it's easy. 5. The answer is 5. What is the direct way of solving? One is negative number, one is positive number. So you should just subtract 18 minus 13. That is 5. Next, check the sign. What is the sign of big number? The big number is 18. What is the sign? Plus. So the answer is plus 5. That is the direct way of solving. Next, solve the third problem. minus 10 plus 19. Which is the big number, children? 19. So write 19 as sum of two numbers. And in that two number, one number should be 10. 10. What is the other number? How will you get 19? If one number is 10, the other number should be 9. So minus 10 as it is, and then 19 can be written as 10 plus 9. Minus 10 plus 10 is 0. 0 plus 9. The answer is 9. What is the direct way of solving, children? One is positive number, another is negative. If one is positive and another is negative, subtract the small number from big number. 19 minus 10. Answer is 9. Then the second step, check the sign of big number. What is the sign of big number here? 19 is a big number, sign is positive. So the answer is plus 9. Next problem, children. Minus 250 plus 150. Without seeing the signs of two numbers, check which is big number first. That means don't check minus 250, check just 250 and 150. 250 is a big, right? So express 250 as sum of two numbers. And in the two numbers, one should be 150. What will be the other number, children? Correct. 150 plus 100 is 250. How can you get this 100? Just subtract 250 minus 150. 0, 0, 1. 100, right? So, one number is 150, one number is 100. 150 plus 100 is 250. So, express minus 250 as minus 250. You know, children, plus 150 plus 100 is plus 250. Here it is minus 250. Minus 250 means for these two numbers just put minus symbol. Minus 150 plus minus 100. Then you get minus 250. Is it correct? If two signs are negative, then the answer will be negative. Here we know that the answer should be negative, minus 250. So just keep sign, negative sign for these two numbers, minus 150 and minus 100. So minus 250 can be written as minus 150 plus minus 150 plus minus 100 plus 150 as it is. Now observe this, children, minus 150 plus 150. These two result is 0 plus minus 100 as it is. So the answer is minus 100. What did we do, children, here? Minus 250 and 150. Don't consider the sign, and for easy solving of the problem, consider the big number. 250 is big than 150. So express 250 as sum of two numbers. In the two numbers, one number should be 150. So 150 as it is. You write as it is. Then find the other number. For 150, what number you should add such that the result is 250? How do you get that? 250 minus 150. The answer is 100. So write 100 here. 150 plus 100 is 250. Now we got plus 250 means 150 plus 100. We want minus 250 here. Minus 250 means minus 150 plus minus 100. Both are negative signs, so you will get negative. So minus 250 can be written as minus 150 plus minus 100. Then 150 as it is. Minus 150 plus 150. They will become 0 here. Minus 150 plus 150 will be 0. And minus 100 as it is. 0 plus minus 100 is minus 100. So the answer is minus 100. Next question is minus 380 plus minus 270. Here in the question, both numbers are negative. In that case, how should we do, children? We did not do in this way, children, because here one number is negative, another number is positive. So we splitted the big number as sum of two numbers. We got minus 150 and minus 100. Minus 150 plus 150. It will become 0. So if there is one negative and one positive number, we should proceed in this way. If both numbers are negative, it is simple, children. 5 plus 5 is 10. We need not do anything, right, to do that. 5 plus 6 is simply 11. In that same way, if both numbers are negative, just add the numbers first. 380 plus 270. For this result, you should add negative sign because both numbers are negative. So minus 380 plus 270 is 380 plus 270. 0 plus 0, 0. 8 plus 7 is 15. 3 plus 3 is 6. 650. The answer is minus 650. Why is this minus? Because both numbers are negative. We got result as minus, negative. Next question. Minus 217 plus minus 100. Here also observe children. Both signs are negative. That means you should first add the numbers and then keep negative sign for the numbers. Minus of 270 plus 100. Minus in the brackets we are writing these two numbers, means we are keeping minus sign for both numbers. That is the meaning. Minus 217 plus minus 100. You can write it as minus in the brackets 217 plus 100. This minus is present for both the numbers. That is the meaning of this. 217 plus 100 is nothing but 317. Then you should keep negative sign, minus 317. So if both numbers are negative, just add the numbers first. 217 plus 100. You get 370. As both numbers are negative, you add negative sign. Minus 217 is there, minus 100 is there. So you get result as minus 317. This is the way you should solve the problems without using number line.